Do you have Beats Studio Buds and you're wondering how to pair them with your Android phone so you can listen to music as well as have conversations with your friends? Well, today we'll show you exactly how to pair these with your Android phone. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. So the first thing we need to do on our Android phone is get into our settings. I have a shortcut here on my screen. If you don't have that, you can swipe down from the top and you should have the little settings icon here in the corner. Or you can swipe up on your screen and go through all of your apps down to the letter S here, and you should see the settings option right there. We'll go ahead and open that up. Now this will be slightly different on every Android phone, but you should be able to figure it out with what I'm doing here. We're looking for the option that says Bluetooth, and that's under connected devices for myself here. So just have a look through here. It's usually near the top. You should see the Bluetooth option. Just go ahead and tap on that. And it's going to allow us to pair a new device right here. So that's what we're going to want to tap on. So we're going to go ahead and tap on pair new device. And our phone is going to start searching for different Bluetooth devices. Now we need to get our Beats Studio Buds into pairing mode so that our phone can find them. So open up your lid. And with the earbuds in the case, that's important, make sure they're in there. You're going to see a small little button right there between the buds. It's hard to see, it's a circular button there. We're going to go ahead and push that down for about 5 seconds or so. And the light on the front of the earbud case there is going to start to flash. And under my list here, all of a sudden the earbuds showed up. Now these are my wife's earbuds. They're named Andrea's earbuds. Yours might say Beats, etc. So just go ahead and look through the list of devices that are available and go ahead and tap on them there. It's going to say they're pairing. Pair with Andrea's earbuds, allow access to contacts and call history. So if you're wanting to use these where they can access your contacts so you can make calls, you want to turn that on. And then we're going to go ahead and hit pair right here. And it's going to start pairing those earbuds. It shows they're active and the battery life there. Now there's also a Beats app. You can download it for free from the Google Play Store. I'll install that there. This will allow you to customize the earbuds, the name, and turn on transparency mode or noise canceling mode, etc. So let's go ahead and install that. So once the app is installed and you've gone through all the agreements, you'll have access to your earbuds where you can customize them. You can see the battery life of the earbuds as well as the case. You can turn on the noise canceling mode or the transparency mode or turn that off. You can rename your Beats in here, learn about the product features, noise control and volume, call controls. You can make some adjustments there. And really it's that simple to pair your Beats Studio Buds to your Android phone.